So pirates, we are sailing. We, on Yacht Dorothy, are sailing. Awesome, awesome, awesome. 2 sails out. What heading we on, Craig? 135-ish, good winds. You see Rye disappearing in the distance. Yes, well, we are actually sailing the first time since, well, ever actually, that we've had the engine off, because we couldn't have it off before. The engine, that is. Yes, check that out. Harvey, what do you think? Is it really super good?
Yeah.
Are you a pirate?
Yeah.
Is your daddy a pirate?
Mm-hmm.
Is he really, really a pirate?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you love it?
Yeah.
Yeah, good boy. But, do you love it?
Yeah.
Are you a pirate?
Yeah.
Yeah? A really good one?
Yeah.
Yeah? The boys are just fiddling with the, we're going to have a look, see if we can get the autopilot going. So, yeah, give it a go. Yeah, check that out, we've got a wind farm in the distance over there. Right. No, where's Rye? Over there. And then what over there? Beachy Head, I didn't think that. It never looks far away, but it takes ages. Yeah. It's got to be, isn't it? Or the other end of it. Wait, is that the fairway buoy down there? Ah, excellent. Actually, it's 1.8 nautical miles from the harbour entrance. But yes, we are sailing. I feel like a pirate again. My boys are with me for the first time ever. I've been spending all my time and money getting it sorted, and we're loving it. We're just absolutely loving it. You know why? It's a pirate's life, eh? Arr! Give us an arr. Give me an arr. Arr.